Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how I'd like you to set up your math materials for the year. You should have two yellow folders, and I'm sorry that mine are not yellow as I'm demonstrating this, but you should have two yellow folders, one yellow spiral, and a pencil case. And I'm going to walk you through how I'd like you to set that up in your big zippered Trapper binder. So, one of your math folders, you're going to label it math, and on the inside, you're going to have these two labels, class materials on one side and assessments on the other side. So right now, you already have some class materials you can put in the left side. You have your syllabus for the class. You have your bathroom passes that you want to make sure you don't lose. Make sure your name is on it. And then also your norms for the year. So all three of those can go in the class materials section. And then that folder can go in your binder. Next, you're going to put in your spiral notebook. You don't need to write anything on the front of the spiral notebook, but what you're going to use this for is your written work in class. So it'll be mostly big ideas assignments. Sometimes you might use it to show your work for IXL, but for whatever it is, on the front of it, on the top of each page, you're going to write your name, the date, and what the assignment is. So for example, if I was doing a big ideas assignment for lesson 1.1, I would write my name, put today's date, and then say lesson 1.1. And then I'm going to number all of my work so that each problem I have numbered and I can go back and look at my work. So that's going to go next. And then you're going to do your second folder. So you're going to sort of sandwich that spiral notebook in between your two folders. The other folder is going to be labeled notes on one side and classwork on the other side. So anytime you take notes for me in class, actually whether it's in class or outside of class from a video, I'm going to give you some sort of a guided note sheet. Those are all going to go in this notes section. And then classwork could be worksheets or other activities that we do in class that aren't scored. You will score them yourself, but they're different from assessments in that I'm not going to score them for you. Okay, so that's this part, folder, spiral, folder. Then we also want to be sure that you have your pencil case with you. And inside of your pencil case, you want to be sure that you have at least two sharpened pencils at all times. More is probably better, just to be sure, because you're using them for all of your classes. But make sure you have a good supply of sharpened pencils. And then you're also going to have your calculator. Now, we won't use the calculator on every single unit, but you'll want to just have it in there to have a good habit and make sure that you have all of your materials. So that pencil case is going to go right in front. And then you're all set. As far as your other materials for other classes, you probably want to put math in wherever it falls in your day. So if math is first in your day, you're going to have it the very first thing. If it's in the middle of the day, you might have some other subjects above it and behind it. And if it's at the end of the day, it might be at the end. So that's it. That's how I want you to organize your folder.